Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about how artificial intelligence is moving out of the tech world and right into our homes. And look, this isn't some far-off fantasy. We're talking about a real, practical co-pilot for your daily life. And it all starts with a feeling I think we all know too well.
You know that feeling, right? The constant buzz in your head of meal planning, budgeting, cleaning, scheduling. It can seriously feel like you're drowning in tasks. Well, you're not alone. That invisible effort of managing a household is a very real thing, and it can be exhausting. But what if you had a super smart assistant to help you carry that load? Well, guess what? You do. It's AI. And the best part? It's made for everybody. You don't have to be a tech wizard or know how to code. You just need to know how to ask for what you want. So let's start where so much of family life happens, the kitchen. I mean, it's often ground zero for our biggest daily chores, and it's a place where AI can make a huge difference, like right away. Okay, so this term right here is so important. Mental load. It's that non-stop to-do list running in your head. What's for dinner? Did I pay that bill? Who has soccer practice? AI is an amazing tool because it's literally designed to take on those kinds of tasks, freeing up your brain for, well, for anything else. So, how does this actually work? It's pretty much this simple. First, you just tell the AI a little bit about your family. Your size, any diets, what your budget looks like. Then, boom, it spits out a custom meal plan for the week. And here's the best part. It then creates a categorized grocery list. Sometimes it'll even estimate the cost for you. How cool is that? And check this out. This is a real-world example of what you'd actually type. It's just plain English, right? You get specific about what you need. Fast prep, using stuff you already have, staying on budget, and the AI just figures it out. It turns a really stressful job into a simple conversation.
And it goes way beyond just planning. You can literally ask it, hey, what can I make with this leftover chicken and half a bell pepper? It's brilliant. This is how AI helps you save money, waste less food, and honestly, even become a more creative cook. All right, so AI's got the kitchen covered, but its usefulness goes way, way beyond that. Think of it as your personal finance guru and maybe even your own dedicated wellness coach. Come on, we've all been there, right? Staring at a spreadsheet, just trying to figure out where all the money went. The old way is basically just guesswork and a ton of tedious tracking. But with AI, it's a whole different ballgame. It actually sees patterns in your spending and gives you clear, data-driven ideas on where you could save. It just takes all the emotion and boredom out of budgeting. And it's the exact same idea for fitness. Why would you follow some generic plan you found online when AI can build one just for you? For instance, it can create safe, really effective postpartum recovery exercises that adapt as you get stronger. We're talking about true personalization. And you know what? Many of us are already wearing this technology on our wrists. Our smartwatches use AI to learn our habits. They track our sleep, watch our heart rate, and can even nudge us to take our medication. It's turning all that raw data into insights that actually mean something for our health. Okay, so we've hit food, finance, and fitness. Now, what about all the actual physical chores? Let's take a look at how AI can help us spend less time cleaning and a lot more time, well, living. Okay, get ready for this number, because it's a big one. Researchers from the University of Oxford are predicting that almost 40% of the time we spend on housework could be automated in the next 10 years. Just let that sink in for a second. That is almost half of your chore time handed right back to you. That's a total game changer. And hey, this isn't science fiction. It is happening as we speak with tech a lot of us already have. Robotic vacuums that actually learn the layout of your house, smart ovens that can tell what you put inside, and voice assistants that can run your whole morning routine with just one command. This breaks it down so well. Smart thermostats learn your schedule to save energy. There are AI water heaters that can predict when you'll need hot water based on the weather, cutting costs by up to 30%. And smart fridges that keep track of what's inside to help you stop wasting food. Each one is a small thing, but together they add up to huge savings in both time and money. All right, now for the really fun part. Beyond all the logistics and the chores, AI can be an amazing creative partner for planning family activities and making great memories. So, are you stuck on what to do this weekend? Just ask AI for ideas tailored to your town and your kids' ages. Need the perfect gift idea? Describe the person and your budget. Planning a party or even a big family vacation? AI can be your personal researcher, comparing all the options and saving you hours of scrolling. And this right here really brings us to the most important point of all. The goal of AI in the home is not to replace the human element. Not at all. It's about letting the tech handle the boring, repetitive stuff so that you have more time and energy for what really counts, connecting with your family and actually enjoying your life.
So, as we wrap this up, I'll leave you with a question to mull over. If you look at your own daily routine, what's the one task you would just love to hand off to an AI copilot? Your answer might just be the first step to a much smoother, more efficient life at home.